one more time to TipsNNTricks. We've previously showed you hanging the upper cabinets. We've moved these two units into place. They're already attached. I just wanted to show you a couple of quick things. When I first placed them, this unit was about an eighth of an inch to a quarter of an inch, maybe below this one. So we had to raise it up, and it was flat up against there. And so in order to lever it up, I carefully put my lever underneath here where I caught both the stile and the rail together so not to put undue pressure on either one of them. Lifted it up just gently and then shoved this wedge underneath, which you can see here. And now they are perfectly positioned. All I have to do now is just take my handy dandy utility knife, score along the bottom edge here, and bingo, bingo. Now also, at the same time, there was a crack here at the top, and you want to make sure your seams are perfectly aligned. And the way we did that is to put a wedge back here and force the upper portion of the cabinets together. So again, I'll take the utility knife, score it well, and then bingo. They were attached to the studs through screws. I have another screw down below the second drawer and also over here. So now both units are in place. Drawers need to be adjustment, the glides, which can be done. You can see they're out of alignment, but we won't go into that in this video. Thanks again for watching, and keep subscribing to TipsNNTricks. Thank you.